Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Ganit. My name is Samir Sultana. So we will continue with the top 100 cat count question, the most expected question, and the topic that I'm gonna pick in this video is logarithm. So logarithm के question बच्चों हम इसमें रिवाइज करने वाले हैं. Cat के लिए बहुत important topic है. If you look at the last 5 years cat paper question, at least एक question आपको logarithm में से हर exam में मिलेगा. In the history of cat, check any paper that you want to check. One question is definitely there from the logarithm. And in fact, recently 17, 18, 19 में तो दो questions भी आए हैं logarithm के, right? So minimum one question आपको logs में आने वाला है, for sure. And this is a revision session. I'll be taking 5 best question of logarithm. Let me show you all those questions. This is question number 1 that we're discussing, 46 of our series, 47 number, 48, 49, and 50. Take a screenshot, and if you want to attempt it first, you can do that, right? So ये 5 question हम discuss करेंगे. And because this is a revision session, so let me first quickly take you through all the rules of log. Because logarithm के questions के लिए सबसे ज्यादा important है कि आप rules of log जो रहते हैं, laws of log जो रहते हैं, उनको आप क्वेश्चन में किस आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो या नहीं कर सकते, राइट? सो इफ यू नो दोज रूल्स, यू शुड आल्सो नो हाउ टू अप्लाई दैट इन द क्वेश्चंस, राइट? सो बहुत ज्यादा थ्योरेटिकल थ्योरी तो हम नहीं डिस्कस करने वाले, but let me quickly take you through the basic rules of log that you should know if you want to do the questions of logarithm in CAT. So basic rule है, right? So I'm starting for basic rule number 1. If it is given to us that y is equal to log of x to the base b, what exactly the meaning of this statement? Log is basically the inverse of index. Everybody knows. Now, इसी में आपका definition आ जाएगा पहले rule number 1 में. So when I'm saying that y is equal to log of x to the base b, basically I'm asking you what power of b is equal to x. b का कौन सा power x के equal आएगा? So you can say that x will be equal to b raised to power y. For example, if I ask you y is equal to log of 4 to the base 2 कितना होगा? So basically I'm asking you 2 का कौन सा power 4 के equal है? So 2 का कौन सा power 4 होता है? 2. So I can say that in this case y will be equal to 2. Right? That's the first rule of log. And with this you should also know the basic graph knowledge. So if I want to plot the graph of y is equal to log of x to the base b, with base b value has to be greater than 1. अगर base b है 1 से बड़ा, base 1 के equal नहीं हो सकता, right? जब भी आप log करोगे तो base 1 के equal नहीं होगा. Why? Reason is, for example, if I'm asking you find out log of 2 to the base 1, that means I'm asking you 1 का कौन सा power 2 के equal है? Now there is no power of 1 that is equal to 2. 1 का कोई भी power लोगे 1 के equal आएगा. So log is not defined at base 1. That's a basic that you should know. And the basic graph of logarithm is this, right? At 1, right, at x equal to 1, y will become 0. Why is so? Because if I put x as 1, y is equal to log of 1 to the base b. 1 to the base b means, basically I'm asking you, b का कौन सा power 1 के equal होगा? b का कौन सा power 1 के equal होगा? 0 power, right? So therefore, x equal to 1 पे y will be 0. That's the basic rule. And अगर x की value base b के equal होगी, if I'm saying that x is equal to b itself, in that case the value of y will be equal to 1. Why is so? You see that if I'm putting x as b, basically that means I'm finding log of b to the base b. That means b का कौन सा power b के equal आएगा? b का power 1 will be equal to b. So that's why x equal to b पे y 1 हो जाएगा. That's our rule number 2 everybody. ये सबको पता. And x के अंदर कोई भी वैल्यू नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकती. That means inside the log no value can be negative. Negative value put नहीं कर सकते. Reason being, if I ask you y is equal to log of 2 minus 2 to the base 2 निकाल. That means I'm asking you 2 का कौन सा पावर minus 2 के इक्वल होगा? ना 2 की कोई भी पावर लो, वो नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकती. Even if I'm taking a negative power, it will still be positive. For example, 2 power minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. It's not negative. Any a number with positive number raised to power something cannot be negative. So therefore, the value inside the logarithm cannot be negative. So x की किसी भी value negative value के लिए log will not be defined. These are the basic rules that you should be knowing before you start doing the revision. Now let me quickly take you through the rules of log. So if you want to take a screenshot of this, right? I hope you must have understood this अगर आपने पहले बेसिक रूल पढ़े हुए हैं। जब कंप्लीट पूरी वीडियो आएगा राइट इन फ्यूचर उसमें हम लॉगरिथम को पूरा डिटेल करेंगे प्रूफ के साथ। तो अभी मैं डायरेक्ट रूल्स लिख रहा हूँ। सो आवर फर्स्ट रूल वाज ग्राफ मैंने आपको प्रूव कर दिया y is equal to log of a x to the base अगर आपको b दिया हुआ है that means x will be equal to b raised to 1 right that's our rule number 1 rule number 2 log of b to the base b will be equal to 1 ये भी हमने प्रूव rule number 3 if I have y is equal to log of a raised to power m to the base b this will be equal to m log a to the base b power is supposed to come on the front side, right? M into log of a to the base 2. That's rule number 3, guys. Rule number 4 is if I'm saying that y is equal to a raised to power log b to the base a, in that case this gets cancelled, this will be equal to b. So y will be equal to b straight. For example, if I'm saying that y is equal to 3 raised to power log 5 to the base 3, so you can straight away say y will be equal to 5 raised to 5. That's rule number 4. इनके प्रूफ्स अभी हम नहीं कर रहे because हम लोग quickly पूरा टॉपिक रिवाइज कर रहे हैं। If we talk about rule number 5, that is submission form or kind of the product form. If I say that y is equal to log of m multiplied by n to the same base b, in that case it will be equal to log of m to the base b plus log of n to the base b. Then we have rule number 6. Y is equal to log of m upon n to the base 3. This is right अगर division form में है this is m to the base 3 minus log m to the base 3. ये सब आपको प्रूफ के साथ वैसे तो थ्योरी में आपको प्रूफ मैंने ऑलरेडी लास्ट सेशन में करवाए हैं इसमें भी हम आगे इन फ्यूचर वीडियोस में प्रूफ के साथ करेंगे अभी आप बेसिकली करेंगे y is equal to log of right if I say yeah y is equal to log of a the base b raised to power m अगर base पे power m it would be 1 upon m log of a to the base rule number 7 right? So rule number 7 let me take you to the rule number 8 now so rule number 8 guys rule number 8 Rule number 8. Rule number 8 is if I say that yes, log of a to the base b. If you want to change the base, right? You can write it down as log of a to the base a different base c multiplied by log of c to the base c. This is quite easy to prove. You can see that log of a to the base c can be written as log of a upon log of c multiplied log of c divided by log of b. You get cancelled. So this is log of a to the base c. Right? Then we have rule number 9. Rule number 9 में you should know that if you want to replace these two values, then this is equal to log of b to the base. So these are the basic rules, guys, that you should know in the logarithm, right? और भी है, but ये basic rules आपको आने चाहिए तभी आप question solve कर पाओ. Now let me quickly take you to the one of the best question of logarithm. इसमें आपके काफी ये सारे rules के application आपका use हो जाएगा. Let's have a look. और काफी अच्छे क्वेश्चन हैं, selected questions हैं, right? Some of them are actual cap paper question. Let's quickly do this question. So we have a is equal to log of 5 to the base 25. B is also log 50 to the base 25. दोनों का base से और हमें 27 to the base 25 निकालना. So guys, you see that can I add these two? Why I'm adding? Because same base is same, and also if I look at all these options, right? All these options contain a plus b. यहाँ पे minus common होगा तो a plus b. तो a plus b use होने वाला. Let's first find out a plus b क्या है. So a plus b will log 15 to the base 25 plus log 15 to the base 25, which I can write down as ये plus का sign है तो दोनों को एक ही log में लेके आना तो I can multiply them the base 25. Now this will be log of 75 to the base 25. log 75 to the base 25. You can see that log 75 to the base 25 can be written as 25 multiplied by 3 to the base 25. Again, summation formula log का rule लगाओ जब ये हमने किया 25 into 3 is log 25 to the base 25 plus log 3 to the base 25. Now this will be taken on the left hand side. This is a plus b. 25 to the base 25 is 1, right? So I can take it to the left hand side is equal to log of 3 to the base 25. Now you see that once I got it, I just need to use this. Log 27 to the base 25 is nothing but log of 3 raised to power 3 to the base 25, which is 3 log 3 to the base 25. Now log 3 to the base 25 is a plus b minus 1. So therefore my answer would be 3 times of a plus b minus 1. This would be the correct answer, which is option number C. Right. This is question number 46 of our series. Moving to the next question, question number 47. Amazing question and an actual characteristic question. You see that log of x to the base y is equal to a multiplied this is equal to b multiplied by this equal to a into b. Now question says which of the following pairs of values for ab is not possible. So I'm supposed to find out which of these following pair for ab is not possible. Right. So following pair. So I'm supposed to take the help of the option while solving the question. There is no unique answer to the question. आपको option में से बताना है कि कौन सा value possible है. See this. If someone is supposed to find out the relationship of A and A into B in terms of some values. So A into B का कुछ relation आपने को find out करना. You see that? Log of x to the base y is given to me as A multiplied by B. Now, if I compare these two values, can I say log of y to the base z, A and A will get cancelled. This is equal to B, right? Okay. And now if I compare these two values, you can see that log of z to the base x, B and B will get cancelled. This will be equal to B. Now look at these three and use this. This is in terms of base x. Can I change this base? Yes, I can change this. Right? We have just studied a rule. Right, as per that rule, right, जब हमने rule number 7 कुछ किया था, log x to the base y a into b, so can I say log of y to the base x will be equal to 1 upon a into b, right? ठीक है, आप इसको अपन में रिवर्स कर सकते हो, ये 1 डिवाइड बाय दिस वैल्यू के इक्वल. Now y to the base x, अब ये y to the base x है, लेकिन ये y to the base z दिया, तो हम इसका बेस चेंज कर सकते हैं. यस, अभी हमने किया. कैन आई राइट इट डाउन एज log y to the base z multiplied by log z to the base x. So this is same as log y to the base x is equal to 1 upon a into b. Now what is log y to the base z? It is b. What is log z to the base x? It is a. This is equal to 1 upon a into b. So can I say that AB into AB is AB square? This is equal to 1. So AB is equal to the plus or minus 1. That means all those pairs of AB are applicable where the product of A and B should be equal to plus or minus 1. Now, if I look at the first option, A and B, the product of this is minus 1. So will this work? Yes, this will work. इनका product 1 है. Will this work? Yes. इन दोनों का product 1 है. ये भी चलेगा. इन दोनों का product भी 1 है. ये भी चलेगा. Look at the option number 5, in दोनों का product 4 है. This will not work. So this is my answer. Fifth option is the correct answer. Because I'm supposed to find out which pair of AB is not possible. So A और B का multiplication plus or minus 1 के equal होना चाहिए. ये काम नहीं करेगा. Right? इनका product 1 और minus 1 के equal नहीं है. This is equal to 4. Fifth option is the correct answer. 48 number. Again an amazing question. X is greater than or equal to y, y is greater than 1, then the value of the expression log x upon y to the base x plus log y upon x to the base y can never be. ये भी वैसा एक सिंगल क्वेश्चन है कि इसमें से कौन सा वैल्यू इस एक्सप्रेशन का नहीं हो सकता है. This is what we are supposed to find, right? So ऑप्शन की हेल्प से क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. यूनिक आंसर नहीं निकालना, इसको सिंपलीफाई कर, राइट? डिवीजन फॉर्म ऑफ लॉग यूज करो. log of x upon y to the base x. Can I write it down as log of x to the base x minus log of y to the base plus log of y upon x. फिर से division form. This can be written as log of y to the base 1 minus log of x to the base. Now this is 1. This is also 1. Log b to the base b 1 होगा. 1 plus 1. 2 minus. I see that this is log y to the base x minus log x to the base 1. और minus common लिया ये अंदर पूरा. Now observe this expression carefully. Both of these two are inverse of each other. Why? Because we have just studied that log of a to the base b is equal to 1 upon log of b to the base. You don't have to say inverse, right? So if I'm saying that this value is equal to t, so you have 1 upon t k. Now you should know the basic of algebra that t plus 1 upon t का जो value है, t plus 1 upon t का, we know that x y से बड़ा है और y की वैल्यू 1 से बड़ी है. Now y की वैल्यू 1 से बड़ी है और x y से बड़ा है, तो ये जो एक्सप्रेशन आएगा ये ग्रेटर देन 1. इन दोनों में से एक वैल्यू अगर ग्रेटर देन 1 होगी तो दूसरी लेस देन 1 होगी, राइट? Now if I'm saying that this value is greater than or equal to 1, sorry, not if this value is greater than or equal to 1, right? t plus 1 upon t, that means both of these two are positive real numbers. ये दोनों positive real numbers हैं. तो can I say कि t और 1 upon t का जो अरिथमेटिक मीन होगा वो इनके ज्योमेट्रिक मीन के इक्वल, ज्योमेट्रिक मीन से बड़ा होगा. am gm हो. So can I say t plus 1 upon t will definitely be greater than or equal to 2? t plus 1 upon t का वैल्यू हमेशा 2 से बड़ा है, राइट? एक पॉजिटिव, दोनों पॉजिटिव होंगे. t has to be positive, y is greater than or equal to 1, y is greater than 1 और x greater than or equal to y है. तो अभी हमने देखा ग्राफ के अंदर log x to the base y is a basic, right, would definitely be greater than 1. अगर ये 1 से बड़ा है तो इनका कंबाइन, दैट मींस दोनों पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर्स होंगे. दोनों पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर्स होंगे तो इनका इसका अरिथमेटिक मीन ज्योमेट्रिक मीन से बड़ा होगा. तो t plus 1 upon t का मिनिमम वैल्यू 2 होगा. सो गाइस इन दोनों के बीच में माइनस का साइन. सो 2 में से अगर मैं ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू की वैल्यू माइनस करता हूं तो मेरा मिनिमम वैल्यू 0, राइट? सो दैट मींस द होल एक्सप्रेशन वैल्यू विल बी लेस देन इक्वल टू 0. 0 से छोटा आंसर पॉसिबल है, 0 के इक्वल भी पॉसिबल है, बट 0 से बड़ा आंसर नहीं हो सकता. 0 या 0 से छोटे आंसर्स पॉसिबल है, 0 से बड़ा आंसर 1 इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो ऑप्शन 4 इज द करेक्ट आंसर, राइट? 1 इज नॉट पॉसिबल. 0 या 0 से छोटा कोई भी वैल्यू इस केस में पॉसिबल होगा डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द वैल्यू ऑफ t व्हिच इज log of x to the base 5. ठीक है, दैट्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. आप इसको t ले लो, इसको t ले लो, बात एक ही है, इसमें कुछ डिफरेंस नहीं है, राइट? बहुत ही अमेजिंग क्वेश्चन log का है. लुक एट द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 49. ये भी अभी जो हमने रोल किया उसी के ऊपर, राइट? सीरीज बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है लॉग देता हूँ और कैट में रिसेंटली ऐसा क्वेश्चन है. सो लेट्स सॉल्व दिस. इस क्वेश्चन को थोड़ा आपको अच्छे से सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा एंड यू जस्ट नीड टू टेक द पावर ऑन द फ्रंट साइड, राइट? दैट्स इट. Can I write out the first value as log of a upon log of x? Yes, I can do that. Why? Because ये 1 के बेस में इसको मैं log x upon log a लिख सकता हूँ. बट इनका बेस क्या है? कोई भी बेस ले सकते हो. आई एम नॉट मेंशनिंग इट ओवर हियर. कोई भी बेस ले लो तो log a ऊपर चला. The next value would be log of root of a divided by log of x raised to power 1 by 4 and so on. Now the next value will be equal to log of root a again using the same rule, right here, is equal to divided by log of x raised to power 1 by 9 plus the last value will be, so ये वाला वैल्यू जो है यहाँ पे आएगा, must be typing x raised to power 1 upon 900, right? This will be log of root a upon root a to the base 30. So now this is root a, this is root a to the base 3, this is root a to the base 30 upon log of x raised to power 1 upon 9. Now this you can see is log a upon log x plus. Now root a में a का power 1 by 2. So see that 1 by 2 भी आगे आएगा और 1 by 4 भी आगे. So 1 by 2 को 1 by 4 से डिवाइड करोगे, so finally you will have 4 upon 2. This will be log of a upon log of x plus ये a raised to power 1/3 है 1/3 को ये 1/3 आगे आएगा और ये 1/9 भी आएगा 1/3 को 1/9 से डिवाइड करोगे तो 9/3 log of a upon log of x and finally ये 1/30 नीचे 1/900 so 1/30 को 1/900 से डिवाइड करोगे तो 900 upon 30 log of a upon log of x. Now that's it. That's it. So अभी आपको सिंपलीफाई करना है कुछ नहीं करना है. You see that this is 2, this is 3, ये तो 1 ही है, तो finally 30 है. So can I say this equal expression is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 30 multiplied by log of a to the base x. This is sum of first 30 natural. N into n plus 1 upon 2. That is log of h to the base x. 15 पे कैंसिल हो गया 450 plus 15 465 465 log of h to the base x, which you can further simplify that. The 465 ऊपर चला जाएगा. This is a आप पावर में भी लेके आ सकते हैं इसको to the base x. That's it. This is a simplified form of it. Log of a raised to power 465 to the base x will be the final answer, which is option number C. C is the correct answer. Last question, amazing question, guys. Look at this one. P का वैल्यू आपको 36 to the base m में दिया हुआ है, Q का वैल्यू 72 to the base m में दिया हुआ है, right? हमें बता रहा है कि which of the following statement is true. जिन भी क्वेश्चन में following word यूज हो गया तो ध्यान रखो उस क्वेश्चन में आपको ऑप्शन तो जरूर यूज करनी पड़ेगी, राइट? इन सभी ऑप्शंस में Q minus P यूज हो रहा है. All of these options are using Q minus P. तो सबसे पहला काम तो हमें Q minus P को ही निकालने का करना चाहिए बिकॉज ऑप्शन में से आंसर निकाल. सो व्हाट इफ आई एम यूजिंग Q minus P here? देखो अगर Q minus P का वैल्यू निकालना है सो कैन आई से Q minus P will be equal to log of 72 to the base m minus log of 36 to the base m. Now 72 you can see that is log of 2 power 3 multiplied by 3 power to the base minus 36 is log of 2 power 2 multiplied by 3 power 2 to the base. This is, you can see that multiplication है तो प्लस रूल आ जाएगा और ये 3 है पावर में तो 3 आ गया. I'm sure you know the rule that we are applying here. This will be 3 log to the base m plus 2 log 3 to the base m, right? माइनस मल्टीप्लीकेशन की वजह से दोनों में इंडिविजुअली आप प्लस का साइन लगाओगे पावर आ जाएगी माइनस 2 log 2 to the base m माइनस माइनस बाहर का साइन पड़ा हुआ है आपका माइनस 2 log 3 to the base m, राइट? ठीक है, इज इट क्लियर? नाइस, इज इट क्लियर? This get cancelled and finally you will have this expression 3 log 2 to the base m minus 2 log 2 to the base m is equal to log of 2 to the base m. That is my Q minus P. ये Q minus P का value is equal to log of 2 to the base m. Okay. Now I'm supposed to find out कि इसमें से कौन सा आंसर है. तो मेरे को मतलब हर ऑप्शन को ट्राई करना पड़ेगा, डायरेक्ट नहीं निकलेगा. So, क्योंकि किसी भी फॉर्मेट में आपको ऑप्शन दिया हो सकता है. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आप यूनिक कुछ कॉम्बिनेशन बना सकते हैं. कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत सारे पॉसिबल है. हमें ये बता रहे हैं कि इस ऑप्शन में से कौन सा कॉम्बिनेशन का. तो सबसे पहले ये इजी लग रहा है चेक करने में, तो सबसे पहले ये निकालो सीधे log 512 जो है दैट इज log ऑफ 2 raised to power 9 to the base 7. तो 9 आ गया इज इक्वल 8 टाइम्स ऑफ Q minus P हमने देखा इज इक्वल टू log ऑफ 2 to the base. क्या ये पॉसिबल है कि 8 टाइम्स ऑफ अ वैल्यू इज इक्वल 9 टाइम्स ऑफ अ वैल्यू सेम एज 8 टाइम ऑफ सेम वैल्यू? नो, दैट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. तो ये ऑप्शन डज दैट इनवैलिड, राइट? B would not be the option. Look at this, 128 is 7 का 2 का पावर 7, तो 7 आगे आएगा. दिस इज 7 log 2 to the base 7 is equal to 6Q minus 4P. See that log 2 to the 7 times of log of 2 to the base 7. अगर मैं सीधा log 2 to the base 7 की वैल्यू डालूं, this will be equal to 7Q minus 7P. तो 7Q minus 7P is 4Q, 6Q minus 4P के equal Q होगा, right? ये लिख गया, right? This is not. So we are left with option A and option C now. अभी A और C को आपको ट्राई करना पड़ेगा. Let's see. Okay, A और C का ऑप्शन हम A, B और D is eliminated. B और D ऑप्शन है वो हमारा eliminate होगा. Let's check with option A and C. Look at option A, guys. Right? See that option A में भी 576 है, इसमें भी 576 है. दोनों को एक साथ चेक. Log 576 को क्या लिख सकते हो? You see that अगर मुझे इसको 2 और 3 की टर्म में लिखना हो, because I have this whole expression in terms of 2 and 3. यहाँ भी 2 और 3 की टर्म है, यहाँ भी 2 और 3 की टर्म है. Right? So 576 को 2 to the base 3 की टर्म में लिखना. और let's use this limit. इसको हैंडल करते हैं. Q minus P का वैल्यू, if I put it in option A, Q minus option A, that's right. Left hand side is equal to Q minus pi. Q minus P is log of 2 to the base n multiplied. Now this you can see is log 2 log 3 to the base 2. This is nothing but log 9 to the base. Right? 3 ये 2 को 3 का power 2 लिख सकते हो. Plus. Now 4 you can see can be written as 4 log 2 to the base 2. This is 4 log 2 to the base 2. See that 4 के साथ में क्या मैं log 2 to the base 2 लिख सकता हूँ? Yes, log 2 to the base 2 का नहीं होता. क्यों लिख रहा हूँ? क्योंकि इनको मैं log में कंबाइन कर पाऊंगा तभी कुछ आइडिया लगेगा. Log 2 to the base n multiplied by log 9 to the base 2 और ये 4 जो है ये 2 की पावर 4 हो जाएगा. So this is log 9 to the base m plus log 16. So 9 to the base 2 is 16 to the base 2. Now this is log 2 to the base m multiplied. 16 into 9 होता है 144 to the base 2. Now this is log 144 to the base 2. क्या ये किसी भी केस में आपका 576 के इक्वल आ सकता है? नहीं आ सकता. Why? Because if I simplify it further, this is log 2 upon log n multiplied. This is log 144 upon log 2. ये कैसे हो जाएगा? तो ये 144 to the base n. Left hand side में 576 to the base. So option A भी आंसर नहीं. So now you can say the option C is the correct. Right? Let me give you the proof why you will get option C as correct. Right? Option C में क्यों आएगा ये? Let's see. When you have a relationship, right? अगर ऐसा कोई भी क्वेश्चन आता है जिसमें relations आपको दिए हुए हैं different block के terms में, तो option में value putting is the only option. But smartly you can use some concepts, right? जिसमें हमें पता लगता है कि सब में Q minus P आ रहा है तो Q minus P को पहले निकालें. Look at option C guys. Option C का जो right hand side है Q minus P. Q minus P में I can put log of 2 to the base. This value is log of 3 का square 9 to the base 2 plus 6 के साथ में log 2 to the base 2 अपने आप ऐड कर सकता हूँ because 1 को आप log 2 to the base 2 लिख सकते हैं. Now this is log 2 to the base n. This is log 9 multiplied by 2 power 6. Right? 6 ऊपर चला जाएगा प्लस की वजह multiplication आ जाएगा to the base 2. Now this is log 2 to the base n multiplied. 9 into 64 is 576 to the base 2. Now this is log 2 upon log n multiplied. Log of 576 upon log of 2. This get cancelled. Finally, आपके पास आ जाएगा log of 576 to the base. That is your option number. Left hand side is 576 to the base 7. So that is LHS equal to RHS. These are the 5 questions. I hope this helped you in revising the complete concept of log with these best selection of questions. Right? Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel. So 50 क्वेश्चन तक हमारा सीरीज कंप्लीट हुआ. पूरा सीरीज 100 CAT quant questions का है, which we will complete before CAT. Please keep on sharing with all of your friends, guys, right? And subscribe to the channel. Thank you.